Hey everyone, is your car struggling with gear shifting, stuck in limp mode, or showing a check engine light? If your scanner is throwing P0863 transmission control module TCM Communication Circuit, this means your car's transmission module isn't talking properly with the rest of the system, but don't worry. In this video I'll explain what P0863 means, its symptoms, causes, and most importantly, where to find the key sensors and components to fix it quickly. Let's get started. What is P0863? The P0863 trouble code appears when the powertrain control module, PCM, detects a communication failure with the transmission control module, TCM. This issue can cause shifting problems, transmission errors, or even force your car into limp mode. Check engine light, CL, or transmission warning light, harsh or delayed gear shifts, transmission stuck in limp mode, slipping gears or unexpected downshifting, reduced fuel efficiency. Now let's move to sensor locations so you can find the problem quickly. Sensor and component locations, where to find them. To diagnose P0863, check these important components. Transmission control module, TCM. Location, usually mounted on the transmission housing or near the engine bay firewall. Function, controls gear shifting and communicates with the PCM. Powertrain control module, PCM. Location, typically found in the engine bay near the firewall or under the dashboard. Function, the brain of the vehicle, managing both engine and transmission operations. Transmission wiring harness and connectors location, runs between the TCM, PCM, and transmission sensors. Function, transfers electronic signals for proper transmission function. Battery and ground connections. Location, battery terminals and ground points on the chassis or engine bay. Function, provides stable voltage for electronic components. Common causes of P0863: faulty or disconnected TCM. A damaged or disconnected TCM can stop communication. 2. Corroded or loose connectors. Bad wiring connections can block signal flow. 3. Faulty or shorted wiring. A break in the harness can interrupt signals between the PCM and TCM. 4. Weak or dead battery. A failing battery can cause voltage drops, affecting module communication. 5. Software or programming issues in the PCM/TCM. A firmware issue might cause the TCM to stop responding. How to fix P0863. Step 1. Check all wiring and connectors. Look for corrosion, frayed wires, or loose plugs between the TCM and PCM. Step 2. Inspect the battery and charging system. Ensure your battery is supplying proper voltage, 12.6V+ when off, 13.5V+ when running. Step 3. Scan for additional trouble codes. Other transmission codes may help pinpoint the issue. Step 4. Test the TCM and PCM functionality. Use a diagnostic tool to check if both modules are sending and receiving signals. Step 5. Reset or reprogram the TCM/PCM. Disconnect the battery for 10 minutes, then reconnect and test. Step 6. Replace the TCM or PCM if necessary. If all else fails, a faulty module may need replacement. Final words. The P0863 trouble code means the transmission control module, TCM, is not communicating properly with the powertrain control module, PCM, leading to shifting problems in limp mode. By checking wiring, connections, battery, and module communication, you can diagnose and fix the problem before it gets worse. Watch these related videos next. P0592, Cruise Control Multifunction Input B Circuit High. P0593, Cruise Control Multifunction Input B Circuit Low. Like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more expert car repair tips.